We out here fishing Blitz. What do you got for bait today, Andrew?
We got shiners today. Couldn't get any chubs, so we're gonna put one on live. See what we can get.
Here at the Philadelphia Waterworks. That's made of brick. Those window sills. Oh, I wonder what they're spraying us with this time. It's about time. It's been like 20 minutes.
Usually a little one. Oh yeah. Just look at it. Tug is my drug.
You need the net?
I think I'm getting a nylon this time. What's up?
Need the net?
Look at that, right on the fishing side.
Fishing. It's just an old channel cat, eh?
It's a regular channel. Look at that.
First
Catfish.
cat of the day.
Here we go. Put on. Shiner just cut itself in half, so it's time to use it for bait. Yeah, see, nothing's on the barb.
Got it hooked around the spine, eh?
Yeah, you gotta. That's the best part right there. All right.
Fish are just jumping like crazy. You're not biting the hooks. Looks like the sun's going down. There's another one. Oh, fish jumping, just jumping around.
Yeah.
Andrew's after him. There's another one. Is that a live bait?
Yeah, that's like it. Can't figure out what they are.
Fish are jumping all around. Fish are just jumping everywhere. Just reading my book here while Andrew's last cast went out. So this is a Brazil building, and they had a fountain inside. Instead of water, it was coffee beans. That's lit. Really recommend these World Fair books. Really cool. Funny enough. Fish were jumping like crazy. They just wouldn't get on that hook. Well, he caught that one channel cat right on. Not skunked.
Never know what you're gonna catch. That's why you go fishing.